Hello everyone, I am Aqsa Zafar. Welcome to MLTude, your go-to place for everything machine learning and data science. I am here to help you take your first or next big step into the world of data science. Are you ready to learn data science for free? Yes, you heard that right. 7 totally free courses that cover everything from Python programming to machine learning, data visualization, and even healthcare. These are not just random courses. I have picked them out because they can really help you grow your skills and boost your career. So grab your coffee and let's jump right into these amazing resources. Let's start with the foundations of data science, K-mean clustering in Python, course by University of London, available on Coursera. This is a beginner level course that will teach you how to group similar data using K-mean clustering, a super useful technique in data science. You will get to practice with Python exercises and mini projects, so you will build real skills. This course is perfect if you are just getting started with data science. The good part, it's great for beginners and includes practical exercises. The only downside is that it focuses mainly on k-means clustering, so if you already know that, it may feel a bit basic and it doesn't dive into other machine learning techniques. Next up is the Data Science in Stratified Healthcare and Precision Medicine course available on Coursera. This one is for you if you are excited about mixing data science with healthcare. It's an intermediate level course where you will learn how data science is changing healthcare with hands on projects like image analysis and probabilistic modeling. You will see how AI can help improve patient care. Quite amazing, right? The plus side is that it's great fit if you are interested in healthcare technology and it includes real world projects. However, it's not for total beginners and does need some background in either healthcare or data science. Now let's talk about Bayesian statistics from concept to data analysis by UC Santa Cruz. This course explains Bayesian statistics in simple terms. You will learn how to use Bayes' theorem and statistical analysis with tools like R and Excel. Whether you are just starting with statistics or want to get deeper into it, this course will help. The pros are that it makes complicated topics easy to understand and gives you a chance to practice with R and Excel. But if you're not into statistics, it might not be as interesting and it focuses mostly on Bayesian statistics, which is just one part of data science. If you are into making your data look awesome, the data visualization and D3.js course on Udacity is for you. You will learn to create eye-catching visualizations using D3.js, a powerful JavaScript library. From turning raw data into clear stories to building custom visuals, this course covers it all. By the end, you will have the skills to make your data stand out, whether you are showcasing it in a job interview or for a portfolio project. The good part is that it's great for anyone who loves data visualization, and D3.js is a great tool for custom graphics. The downside is that it does require some JavaScript knowledge, so if you are new to coding, it might be a little tricky at first. Now let's dive into the data analysis with R course. This one is great if you want to explore exploratory data analysis using R. You will learn how to understand data, starting with basic R commands and progressing to more advanced techniques for analyzing and visualizing data. By the end, you will complete a project where you analyze a data set to predict diamond prices. It's a beginner friendly and gives you a plenty of hands-on practice in R. But if you already know R well, it might feel a little slow and it focuses mostly on EDA rather than machine learning. Next, we have Learn NumPy Fundamentals course on Udemy. If you are looking to get comfortable with NumPy, a powerful library for Python, this course is a great start. You will learn how to work with NumPy arrays, do math with arrays, and even learn advanced techniques like broadcasting. This course is great if you are new to Python or data science. The best part is that it's full of interactive lessons. But if you are already familiar with NumPy, this might be a bit too basic. Finally, we have Intro to Data for Data Science. This course will give you a solid understanding of what data is and how it's used in data science. You will learn about different types of data, how data is processed, and how it's used in data science projects. It's perfect for beginners and gives you the basic knowledge you need before diving into more advanced topics. But it doesn't go deep into machine learning or statistics, so if you are looking for that, this might not be the course for you. These 7 courses are a great way to get started or level up your data science career. They cover everything from the basics to more specialized topics, and they are all from trusted universities and organizations, so you know the quality is top notch. And the best part, they are 100% free, so there is no excuse not to start. Whether you are a student, changing careers, or just curious about data science, these courses are a great way to begin your journey. To get started, I have added links to all the courses in the description below. Just click them, sign up, and start learning today. And remember, take notes and finish the assignments. It's a great way to show off your skills and connect with potential employers. Your action plan is simple. Choose one or more courses, set aside time to learn each week, complete assignments, and share your progress on LinkedIn. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.